Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this next video I'm going to be showing you how to log out your Netflix account from all possible devices that you have used the account. Now if you have randomly logged on your Netflix on different types of devices and you are looking to log out of all those devices, here's how to go about it. So the first thing is to access your Netflix account on your web browser. Once you are logged in, you want to come to your profile, your primary profile.
It's difficult for me to tell you this.
Account. So from the account section, you can come right under security and privacy, and then you should see manage access and devices and sign out of all devices. So all you have to do is click on that. So that's how to sign out your Netflix account on all devices that you have possibly logged on before time. I hope that's a useful one for you. Thank you for watching the video. Do make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like and share the video.